So now with RAM prices somewhat going back down, not completely, but in America, they're going back. They're trending downward, okay? After everything was trending upward, now they're trending a little bit downward. Well, it looks like Valve, yet again, took the dub. They waited to release the Steam machine. They didn't release it yet. They could have released it early, like maybe March or February, and they could have just made it like $1,200, and people would have been upset. It would have been a failure, whatever. Instead, Valve is waiting for RAM prices to come down. Because they waited, and now they are coming down, the Steam machine's probably going to be under $1,000, which I know still sounds like a crazy, ridiculous price, but you got to look at the fact that PlayStation now, as of today, just raised their prices $100 to $150 per unit. So like PS5 now is $100 more, PS5 Pro is $100 more. I believe the disc model is $150 more. Like, we're now talking about a PS5 Pro that's $900. Okay, so like RAM, coming down, and the Steam machine, if it comes out anywhere like $800, $850, that's going to be a humongous W. And if it comes out even less than that, I mean, even crazier of a W. But Valve, I mean, it's funny because they did nothing and they got W's. And that's kind of just how Steam has been working, right? Xbox has been destroying themselves internally. Sony, it's been pretty good, but now they are pulling their games off PC. They're also using this pricing system where if you haven't bought a game in a while, you get a discount. If you actually are loyal and buy games from them, you don't get discounts. Like, they're kind of doing them. Nintendo's just doing Nintendo. Like, there's not even explaining that one. Like, there's no reason to even have to explain why Nintendo is Nintendo. Like, that, they have been being themselves is the biggest issue there. But because of that, right, you have all these things going on. Well, Steam has just been sitting back, relaxing. Now, they have dealt with a lawsuit, and they're still dealing with a lawsuit. But other than that, they're kind of just waiting. And sometimes the waiting game can work out big, can help you out. And that's exactly what's about to happen as RAM prices go down even more. But because RAM prices are really starting to go down, I'm expecting the Steam machine not to come out anytime soon. Like, maybe at the end of this year, potentially, maybe early next year. If RAM prices continue to fall as this AI bubble starts to continue to burst, I don't see the reason why. I mean, they waited so long so far now, right? They said it's going to come out early 2026, still not out. Why not just wait and make this as cheap as possible and really become the best console ever on the market? And also, the Switch 2 is going up in price. So, like, again, everything, But they really could. They really could wait and then just make this the best possible machine on the market and make it actually affordable. Not something ridiculously crazy. So, Steam, yet again, taking the dub. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.